welcome to the Warrior Path, and thank you for joining us as we continue our exploration of the sanshin kata. Now we're going to be talking about the fourth element, which is wind. Wind is where things start to change. Whatever we did one way, we kind of switch to the other side. It's like an ura and a mote type of situation here. So the first one, our first form was very basic. Our second and third form, very similar to each other. And now this, the wind form, or fu no kata, and the next one, ku no kata, are also going to be very similar in their setup. Different in their total application. Now, with the fu no kata, we're going to be working on this boshiken. Boshiken is taking your fingers and closing them, and then taking your thumb and putting it down over the top. And your thumb should stick out past your fingers. This is the point that you're hitting with, the point of the thumb. Striking into various points like the ribs, striking into the muscle, the sensitive muscle up high, striking up into the neck area, striking into the face, near the ear, a lot of different places. Now, we're going to be starting in our bobi no kamae. Whoa, whoa, take it easy, everything's going to be fine. Now the strike is coming in low, so we're going to step again. The nagure, the flow, is going to be the same. We're still stepping over in this direction. However, we're going to raise this hand up and strike down, opening this person up, making sure that their foot does not come down in front where it would be stable for them, but actually putting them off at an angle or wider, and then stepping in and striking with that boshiken, the thumb point, right into the ribs or into the sternum, whatever is an appropriate target. Once we've struck there, we relax. Then they come in with another kick, and with this time with their left leg, as I'm in my left stance, I step out, striking. They could kick with either leg. This is one of the ways that we do it. Striking and hitting that leg out, and then stepping in and striking, delivering that boshiken straight in. This is a very devastating blow. They say that the boshiken can actually separate ribs. I've never actually done that to anybody that I know of, but I believe that if you ended up getting that thumb in between those ribs and pushing those ribs, you could push them out of joint and cause excruciating pain, whether it's dislodged from the front or the back. So I do believe that that is possible, so be very, very careful whenever using the boshiken. Remember your mindset. Remember we talked about tools versus weapons. And during that, we want to make sure that we understand that everything we use, our mind included, is a tool for good. Now, one more time, we're going to look at this fu no kata again. Fu means wind, no kata, form of, so form of wind or wind form. So stepping at an angle, striking down to an offending appendage coming in low, a kick possibly, or maybe some kind of a strike, a punch to the stomach. From here, after we've opened this person up, we step in, wasting no time, delivering that boshiken. We step, strike, and use that push of the hand pushing off to the side to step forward and get the power out of that strike. Thank you for joining us as we explore fu no kata, the fourth of 5 of our sanshin kata. Thank you for joining us on the Warrior Path.